Okay, it's Saturday night. We're relaxing at home. We're watching the UFC fight, Santos versus I forgot the other guy's name. But we got a couple of cameras here. They're on ice. We're downloading a couple of videos to my YouTube channel right now. And what we did is we patched all of our inner tubes. These tubes have been holding good air for a couple of days now. And there's a third one over here. You can see this tube. And what I ended up happening is I used my bike to go pick up my car rentals if they're within like 15 miles. I did pick up a burr in this tire, and I did get a flat tire, and had to fix it. So we've got it fixed, and I've got 3 spare tubes now that are ready to go too. So when you go mountain biking, you do take a couple of extra tubes with you, and if you get a hole in one, you just replace the tube and you'll fix the tubes later. You know, I always bring my tubes home and I hang them in my room here, and one day I do fix them. Here's a really good tire patch kit. This is a Rima Tip Top TTO2 Touring patch kit. When you put these patches on, you actually do not need any adhesive, but if you use adhesive, they even stick even more. And I had the bikes. I fixed the tire, so I said, okay. We ended up resurfacing the rotors and resurfacing the brake pads because I was getting a lot of squelch. So we used 150 grit paper. You don't have to take the disc off. What you do is you put your bike upside down, spin the tire, you know, put the paper up against the rotor, count to 6, and then do the same thing on the other side. Spin the tire, count to 6, it'll resurface it, and you may have to do it twice, you know what I'm saying? So, or maybe even 3 times. I think I did this twice. I'm gonna do it one more time. I think I was still getting squelching, but you need to also, when you get done, you wanna hit the brakes really hard several times to rebed your brake pads on the rotor. So, and this should stop the squelching. So I haven't done that yet. I did it once, but I'm going to do it again. And if I do have to resurface them, I'm actually going to take the 150 grit sandpaper. You should use 180, but 150 is okay. I'm going to take the 150 grit when I go mountain biking, and you know, doing this mountain biking, go pick up my car rentals. I had to do a 10 miler, a 5 miler. We're staring at about a 12.5 miler here on Monday. So it's reignited my flame to do some mountain biking. So we're going to be doing the Navajo loop around Navajo Lake up by Duck Creek Village. And we're going to probably do Thunder Mountain. It's by Bryce Canyon National Park. And it's kind of nice to do some mountain biking for a change. I haven't been doing it because I've been riding my dirt bike. But anyways, we're gonna get back to the fights here. This is Saturday night fights, and we're just having a good old time, staying at home, just relaxing, enjoying the evening, and we will be going to work later. I've been working a lot lately, so I haven't had time to do anything. So it's time to start relaxing and start living. So we're going to probably take the Jeep. Certainly, we'll probably take a mountain bike with us, maybe 2. Dirt bike, and we'll probably take the Can-Am Maverick. We'll probably take the whole shebang. And we're going to do some mountain biking, dirt biking, and some Can-Am Maverick riding up near Bryce Canyon and up near Duck Creek Village in southern Utah. Gotta go.